Is your laptop getting really hot? Fans spinning loudly, performance slowing down, or even shutting off randomly? Yeah, overheating is one of the most common laptop problems, and it can seriously affect performance and lifespan. The good news is you can fix most overheating issues yourself with a few simple steps. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to cool down your laptop step by step. Let's get started. First, check where you're using your laptop. Soft surfaces like beds, pillows, or couches block airflow and trap heat. Always place your laptop on a flat, hard surface so air can flow properly underneath. Dust buildup inside vents is one of the biggest causes of overheating. Use compressed air or gently clean the vents to remove dust and improve airflow. When too many programs run at once, your CPU works harder and produces more heat. Open Task Manager and close apps using high CPU that you don't need. Too many startup apps can keep your laptop under constant load from the moment it turns on. Disable unnecessary startup programs to reduce background activity and heat. High performance mode increases speed, but it also increases temperature. Switch to balanced or recommended power mode if overheating happens during normal use. Outdated drivers can cause inefficient hardware usage, which leads to extra heat. Check for system and driver updates and install anything pending. For extra cooling, consider simple accessories or adjustments. A cooling pad, or even slightly elevating the back of your laptop, can improve airflow significantly. If your laptop slows down when it gets hot, that's called thermal throttling. And it means the system is protecting itself. After cleaning and optimizing, performance should stay stable even during heavy tasks. And that's how you fix laptop overheating step by step. These simple changes can lower temperatures, improve performance, and help your laptop last longer. If this guide helped you out, stick around for more easy tech fixes. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.